Hey guys, this is Mike with Eberlestock. I'm going to talk to you today about my favorite briefcase. It's our B1 Combat Office Brief. So we've got our laser cut MOLLE panel on the front here. You open this up and you've got a variety of different accessory pouches and pockets that you can store anything from chargers to extra pens with. On the other side of the Combat Brief, we've also got a large opening here so you can have the elastic bands for anything you need, extra storage as well. Then we also have a section here for your laptop. In here I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, so you can see that there's plenty of room for larger laptops. So we have a section here for our concealed carry access. Obviously carry your primary pistol on you at all times if you can, but if not, this is a great place for a backup pistol to be stored. On the back side here, we have a Velcro opening, something for like a lightweight jacket, as well as a section here for you to be able to attach this to your luggage handle to be able to go through the airport pretty easily. The Combat Office Brief also comes with a padded adjustable shoulder harness, and then also on the front here you have a handle to be able to carry just with your hand. So the Combat Office Brief comes in black and dry earth, and we'll also be coming out with a gray color pattern as well soon, so go ahead and check us out at eberlestock.com.